Ahlan wa sahlan and welcome. Today we're going to talk about something silent that can bring a multi-million rial operation to a complete stop. My name's Ahmed, and with me is my colleague Khalid. We're from AskA Solution, and we're here to talk about the real foundation of modern industry here in the kingdom.
So just think about it for a second. You're a manager. You're an engineer working in the industrial sector right here in KSA. What's that one thing, that one single thing that can just stop everything? A problem with the supply chain? Maybe an issue with heavy machinery? Tayyip, these are good guesses, but there's something else.
You know, it's probably not what you're thinking. It's totally silent, it's hidden from view, it's IT infrastructure failure. Voila! This is the one thing people just don't see, not until it's way, way too late. We're talking about the network, the servers, the data center, the digital backbone of your whole operation. And when that fails, believe me, everything fails with it.
And that's where we come in. For over 30 years, we here at AskA Solution, as Saudi experts, have focused on preventing this exact problem. We've seen it all, from a tiny server failure that stops production for hours to a network bottleneck that costs a company millions in lost revenue. We've built our reputation on one thing, making sure our partners never, ever have to face that catastrophic silence. So, let's talk about what actually happens when that silence hits. Let's really dig into the true cost of downtime, because honestly, it's so much more than just a little technical glitch. We need to look at what really happens when things go wrong, the real, painful costs.
What's so important to see here is how it's like a domino effect. It always starts with financial loss, right? I mean, every single minute your system is down, you're just bleeding money. But then, it gets so much worse. You get project delays, and that means angry clients and missed deadlines. Then comes the reputation damage. Word gets out, and suddenly you're the company that can't deliver. And the final piece? The operational stress on your teams, on your engineers. It's huge. This isn't just an IT problem, it's a complete business crisis.
So let's look at the why. Why does IT fail in the first place? Well, it's often the same few issues we see over and over again at so many industrial sites in the kingdom. It's usually not some big dramatic explosion. It's more like a slow burn, just a series of small, ignored problems that, eventually build up to a massive failure.
So have a look at this list. First up, aging hardware. Trying to run today's super complex operations on yesterday's technology. It's like trying to win a Formula One race in a 10-year-old car. It's not going to happen. Then you've got network bottlenecks, where your data just can't move fast enough, and everything just grinds to a halt. A huge one is the lack of proactive maintenance, basically just waiting for something to break before you even think about fixing it. And of course, scalability issues. Your business is growing, but your IT system just can't keep up. These are the daily challenges that, if you ignore them, lead to disaster.
And this sentence right here, this perfectly captures the core issue. Reactive fixes only solve yesterday's problems. You wait for the fire, you put it out, but you do absolutely nothing to stop the next one from starting. This break-fix approach, it's a guaranteed way to fall behind. It is not a strategy for growth or for stability. So, what's the alternative?
Well, our whole philosophy at AskA Solution is completely different. It's all about a proactive partnership. Our entire goal is to prevent these problems from ever happening. We don't want to get that late-night emergency call from you. We want your operations to just run smoothly all the time.
And we make this happen through a very structured, very professional process. First, we always start with consultation and needs analysis. We sit with you, we listen, and we really, truly understand your business. Then we move to solution design and planning, where our experts architect a system built just for you. After that, we handle the full implementation and integration, making sure it's a totally seamless deployment. And it doesn't stop there. Step 4 is continuous monitoring, support, and optimization. It's a full lifecycle approach to keep your business running.
Our first core service is infrastructure design and procurement. We start by understanding your exact needs, your vision for the future. Then, we use our strategic alliances with the best manufacturers in the world. Top names like Cisco, Dell, HPE, and IBM, to source the perfect components for your IT backbone. We partner with these giants because their hardware is proven, it's reliable, and it performs in these demanding industrial environments. We're not just selling you boxes, we are building a foundation for your success.
And hey, you don't have to just take our word for it.
Our client, Azam Mahar, he said, "These guys are just amazing. Quality of work and expertise at best." This kind of feedback, it means the world to us. This trust is something we work incredibly hard to earn on every single project.
Now, building on that strong foundation, our next core service is network infrastructure installation. This is where we bring the whole design to life. Our certified technicians install your entire network, the routers, the switches, all the cabling, everything, to make sure you have seamless, reliable, and high-performance connectivity across your entire site.
Then we have data center hardware deployment. This is the heart of your operation, and we treat it with that level of respect. We provide a complete end-to-end service for your servers and your storage. We install and configure everything with absolute precision because we know that if the heart stops, everything stops. Our commitment here is simple. It's our motto: downtime, never.
And this is a commitment our clients really feel. Umar Irfan told us, "The service and support we receive from AskA Solution are exceptional. Their commitment to minimizing downtime is impressive." This is exactly the peace of mind we want to deliver. When our clients can go home at night knowing their systems are stable and in good hands, that's when we know we've done our job right.
And of course, to guarantee that uptime, we provide IT equipment maintenance and support. This is our proactive approach in action. Think of it like a regular checkup for your car. You don't wait for the engine to blow up before you change the oil, right? We do routine checks, we troubleshoot potential issues before they become real problems, and we handle any replacements needed to make sure your systems are always running at peak reliability.
So, why choose AskA Solution? This table here, it really summarizes it perfectly. It's our expertise with technicians who specialize in industrial systems. It's the reliability of our rigorously tested, long-lasting solutions. It's the customization, because we know no two operations are the same. And maybe most important, it's our 24/7 support. If an emergency happens, our dedicated technicians are there, on site immediately. So the real question is, can you afford not to have a partner like that?
Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground, from the hidden costs of downtime all the way to the proactive solutions we provide. I want to just pause here for a moment and bring in my colleague Colette. Colette, I have a quick question for you. If the engineers and the managers who are listening to us right now, if they remember only one single thing from this entire explainer about AskA Solution, what should that one thing be?
The one thing is this: we prevent problems. We don't just fix them. Halas. That is the AskA Solution difference. Our entire model, from the way we design a system, to the quality of the hardware we source, to our installation process, and especially our proactive maintenance, it is all built for one single purpose: to make sure our clients never have to face the catastrophic costs of downtime. We build systems that are reliable from day one, and we work to keep them that way. That is our promise, and it's a promise we have been keeping for over 30 years.
Thank you, Khaled. That's perfectly said. So let's talk about how you can start on your path to uptime, your path to this kind of operational peace of mind.
We want to make this first step as easy as possible for you. So for everyone listening, if you mention this explainer when you get in touch with us, we will give you a completely free, no-obligation consultation to assess your current IT infrastructure. Think of it as a free health check for the heart of your business.
Please, don't wait for disaster to strike. You can reach out to our team of experts right now. Just send an email to sales@askasolution.com, or you can visit our website at askasolution.com to learn more. We're ready to listen and to help you build a more resilient, more reliable future for your operation.
On behalf of myself, Ahmed, and my colleague Khaled, thank you so much for your time. Remember, downtime is a choice, and at AskA Solution, we always choose uptime. We're driven by trust, and we're focused on you. We look forward to partnering with you soon.